Discovery Houston, recommend vector transfer to the BFS.
Okay, 2003 BA. The antenna, the ICC is not working, which is just underneath there, or it's not plugged in properly. So the remotes can't be programmed, but if they could, what we do is we turn it to accessories, one click. The door locks will cycle, and then you just press any button on the remote and it will cycle each time. But unfortunately, either they've taken it out or the antenna's broken on it, so this can't be programmed. But let's just try the key and the ignition and see if it starts. Okay, let's take it out again, open the door, wait for the PATS light to go out, and it has, but she's not starting. Okay, let's try the other key, wait for the PAT light to go out, it does. Now we sometimes have to put it in neutral. Okay, so there is something wrong with this car because the security light does go out. And what we will have to do is, let's just see. So it might be a relay, might be a starter motor, relay problem.
Discovery Houston, we're still looking at it.
And that is not the correct relay for this. So starter, sorry, it's that one there. So they've taken the relay out on this. What we can do is we can use the fan one, which is exactly the same, and we'll put it in there. Now I don't know whether this has been a bit of a trick or whether they took it out because they're worried that the car was going to be stolen or something. Who knows? But you get that sometimes. So there you have it. Try the other key, wait for the PATS light to go on. Yep. Try the other key.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Bit WD in that one.